What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we are going to review the Eden One Zone Digital Programmable Water Timer. I've been wanting a water timer for so long. So shout out to Eden for sending this out here. Shout out to Eden. All right, here we go. I am not getting paid for this review, so this is honest reviews, okay, you guys? They are not sponsoring. They just sent it out. They like the way I do reviews, and we are going to go through this very thoroughly. Step one is the battery installation. So to install the batteries, you see this on the back, you pull it out, and it takes 4 AA's. 4, 2 on the back, 2 on the front. Okay, you guys, I got y'all up close and personal. Right here, I'm by my spigot, and we already did the installation of the battery. And right here is your battery indicator. It shows you how much battery you have. We'll get into that later, but now I'm just going to show y'all how to do the workaround on this. So right now it's 9:41. Right now we're going to set time, so we're going to hit OK. All right, this is your toggle button to go to different modes. All right, but right now we already in set time, so we're going to hit OK. And now we in AM or PM. They said hold OK to go to 24-hour clock. Last time I did that, it kept resetting the unit. So let me see if I do it today, see what happens. Hold it for 10 seconds. See, it did reset. So right now I'm not going to do that until I officially show y'all, and then I'll show y'all in a short video how to do the 24 hours. All right, so right now it is 9:42 a.m. Oh, it did it. Cool. I'll stay on the 24-hour clock. I'm not military, but I know the 24-hour clock, so it don't bother me. All right, so it's 9:43 Monday, so we're all set. All right, that's all we had to press right there. Now we are going to go into step 3, which is you can set your water days. Now this is how you set. Right there, you use this to toggle, and it goes right there to water days. So you could go to Monday, Tuesday, you toggle left or right with this, negative, positive. So let's click, we want to water Mondays. You see how that square come up? So that means you're going to water Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, so you got 3 squares on what you want to water, but you could water every day if you want. Just click it, or click it again, OK again, and then it clicks off. So the squares indicate what days you're going to water. All right, so we go over, and this is this one you can set for like every day or whatever you want to do. Right here, 7 days. All right, so since we selected our days, we can go here, and this one is the cycle of your days. So they give you 4 cycles, which means they give you 4 times out the day to water your lawn. So we can hit OK. Oh, sorry. So cycle A, you see we in cycle A. All right, so let's say cycle A, you want to be what time is it? Let me see my phone real quick. Oh, 9:45. So let's say cycle A we want at 10 o'clock a.m. right? It's a 24-hour clock, so there's no AM or PM here, you guys, just to let you know. I could put it back on regular clock if I want to make it easier for everyone. But if it's if it's 10 o'clock a.m., it's going to say 10 o'clock. If it's 10 o'clock p.m., it's going to be 2200 hours. All right. Now that's for cycle A. Now that's what I want to water in the morning. I could click cycle again and I could go to cycle B, which I don't have, but cycle B, if I want to water, let's say I got 10 o'clock. Let's say I want to water at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. A halfway point. Usually the people that's into their lawns, 1 o'clock is 1300. Usually people that's into their lawns, they water 2 times a day. 3 times a day I'm not sure about. And let's say cycle C, which would be your 3rd time you want to water. We can make that. You can also go backwards too, I think. Let me see. No, backwards is all the way off. So you can hold the button down and it goes fast, kind of fast, but it's going fast enough. Alright, so this is about 8 o'clock p.m. No, that's 6 o'clock. We want to do like 7:30. 1930 is 7:30. Okay. Now, cycle D we'll leave off because we don't need to water 4 times a day. And that's it with the cycles. There is no more cycles. So cycle A is your 10 o'clock. Cycle B is your 1 o'clock. And cycle C will be 7:30. All right. Now that we're done with that, that's how you set up your water days. That's the main thing with this unit. People get this unit because they want to set their time and days to water. So now we go to how long. We hit this toggle button again. Now you want to go to how long you want to water for. So usually in the industry, people water to about 10 to 15 minutes. I know some people may water for 30 minutes, but we could put 10 minutes on here. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm pretty sure OK don't really mean nothing, but all right, cycle A. Cycle A, we want to water for 10 minutes. Cycle B, we want to water for 10 minutes. So all our cycles are being watered for 10 minutes. Now, if you want to water more in the evening, just come to how long, toggle to how long, and that's it. All right, I hit toggle again. So this is the sensor. I don't know if y'all watched my my video where I unboxed all this stuff, but in there I did have the water sensors that indicate if your lawn is, you know, dry or not. I will do that in another video. Okay, you guys, so right here you see it says rain delay. I know I still got the plastic on there, sorry, but you see it say rain delay. Hold the plus button. You could delay for 8 hours. If it's gonna rain that day, you can delay. You could delay for 24 hours and then start back up the next day if you want to. All right, you guys, so it says your next start time. It lets you know your next start time. It lets you know what time it is. We got it on auto. We have our water on. We have no drips. Like I said, make sure you have no drips, because if you leave this on, you want to make sure you're not wasting water in your home. I got the GoPro out there right now, and I will link both of those in the videos like I usually do. Okay, you guys, so it's 9:59. It lets you know it's 9:59, so that's what time it is. And then it kick back to say, see, it says next start time. And we on auto. So when 10 o'clock comes, this thing should kick in. So please just stay by. And you heard it, right? All right, I got the GoPro out there anyways, but I'm still gonna walk back there. And there we go. a little blurry. Sorry. There we go. So we set the time. I hope y'all are entertained with these water videos. Okay, you guys, so now we're done playing in water. We have our sprinkler. It lets you know your timer. You have 8 minutes left. It lets you know that the water is on. All right, there you go. Your battery indicator up there on the top right. It comes here and there. 8 minutes left. There it goes, set on auto. So we are going to let that go. I'll come back around so y'all can see the unit cut off, and that will be it for this review. And that's it. Remember, no leaks, no leaks. Save your water bill. Alkaline batteries, okay? We know that. Do not use rechargeable batteries. I don't know why they say that, but that's what they said. Don't use rechargeable batteries. All right, remove the batteries at the end of the season before storing. So pretty much they saying the batteries should last a long time, and batteries should last about 1 season. So I guess that means 1 season would be spring, and 1 season will be fall, and 1 season will be summer. So I think you might have to change your batteries every spring, summer, fall, depending on your living area or wherever you live at. It says, all right, in schedule, it says right here, a schedule with more frequent water times can cause batteries to drain faster. So those are all the battery life tips, just in case you want to know more about the battery. They have here cleaning your timer, so you can clean the filter. I told y'all about the filter. If you want to clean it, you get dirt inside. Right here is how you clean your filter. Like I said, I'll post up everything while I'm talking. And that's about it with this water timer. I do recommend it. It's easy, it's simple. This is not complicated, especially from what I showed y'all. Yeah, so that's about it with that. I also forgot to tell y'all guys how to put it on manual. So right now I have my water on already. I always keep it on. Like I said, no leaks. Right here where it says manual on and off. Sorry, it's too much glare on my camera, so hopefully y'all can see it. So manual on and off, you turn it on manual. When you turn it on manual, I already put it on 10 minutes. It will kick on by itself in like 30 seconds. See, right now it just kicked on. So now I got it on for 10 minutes. You can't change it no more after that. You will have to do manual again. Now if you want to turn it off, just turn it off and it will kick off. So that's how you do it. So again, manual on, and then 10 minutes it just kicked on. It will go, after it's done its manual cycle, it will go back to auto by itself. So when it's done manual, it'll go back to your auto settings on the days and the times that you already had it set for. Forgot to tell y'all that. Other than that, that's it. Leave a like, please. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section, and hit that notification bell because I have more Eden products coming. Catch y'all in the next one.